In a city filled with fads and mass production, one man fights for his life, his dignity, for tradition, fighting against the grips of the Danish mob boss, Don IKEA. He tirelessly works to recreate the lost Danish recipe, the perfect soap finish. He knew too much. He went too far.
Give me the recipe, or you're dead. You did this to yourself.
A craftsman never dies!
Coming soon, William Douglas Co. will be releasing the preserved recipe for Danish soap finish.
I don't have much time. They're gonna be here any minute. The ingredients for the Danish soap finish are so...
Remember, fads come and go, but a craftsman is eternal.